I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by checking essentials. Confirm model and watch OS, battery above 20%, and that watch and iPhone are nearby. Now, disable accidental zoom quickly. Double tap with 2 fingers on the screen to test zoom. If that doesn't reset, open settings on the watch, accessibility zoom, and toggle zoom off. This stops magnification at the source. Once done, make sure the digital crown responds. If it's sluggish, clean around the crown and try again. Now you handle finer control. Open settings accessibility zoom and set zoom region to windowed if you want smaller magnification, or full screen to center everything. This changes how content scales. Then lower maximum zoom level to reduce extreme magnification and enable zoom filters to improve contrast and clarity. Practice navigation. 3-finger double tap to activate panning, drag to move around, and rotate the digital crown to zoom in and out. This combination prevents accidental. To finish, restart the watch and the paired iPhone. A soft restart often clears persistent zoom glitches. If zoom remains stuck, unpair and repair the watch from your iPhone. This restores settings and preserves a backup, so make sure you complete the backup step first. If the screen is unresponsive or gestures fail after repairing, don't delay. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store, because hardware faults or stuck sensors can mimic zoom issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.